I have a wedding coming up, and I want to look real classy for it, so I got a zoot suit. I've got the coat, the jacket, and the waistcoat, and a hat. But first, I want to take a few fancy photos of me in the suit just to make sure I look nice and pretty for the actual wedding. So, let's get some lighting gear. And right, I left my gear with another film set. Well, I have one Amaran light, no modifiers. I think I can work with just one light. I could bounce it. Hi, kitty. Well, okay, I only have the one light, but I think I can make it work. I'm going to use the white walls that I have back here to bounce light onto me. And with the suit being black, I think that'll work against a white wall for some nice color contrast. So, I'm going to do some DIYing at Walmart. Safety first. Just in time. Okay, I am looking for a shower curtain, preferably a frosted one, no texture or anything, the biggest one possible. Does no one shower? Where is everything? Here we go. Maybe. So I see they have a few other ones here. We're gonna try both out, see what the difference is between the two. I got my 2 shower curtains good to go. I bought a cheaper one along with a more expensive one. I'm gonna see how the light plays off of it and go from there. If they're both the same, I'll just keep them anyways, considering that I could use them, maybe combine them and make them even bigger. Let's go. Step 1 in this setup, the camera. Get your angle. Now that our camera is placed, time to set up the key light. Second C-sand for the diffusion. Let's try the Ultimate Shield Shower Liner. Sexy. And voila! Soft light that hopefully wraps a lot. I dig that. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but you can see in comparison. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, not bad at all. A little bit of shadow right there, but I think my body will cover that. Let's take some photos. New hat, hey, that's... Alright, that's pretty funny. That's actually pretty funny. Well, I'm in my suit, I got my cool robot pin here, I got my favorite tie, my favorite shirt, and the suit looks pretty nifty. I'm gonna swap out the vest for the Sci-Fi vest that my friend gave me, the one that's in this episode, and see how these photos work, so let's go. This hat technically doesn't even fit. It'll be fine. That about wraps it up. Thanks for watching and being a part of the crew. My question to you is, what's your favorite suit fashion? Mine is the pinstripe. I love this kind of fashion. Honestly, my favorite is the 10th Doctor's, David Tennant's Doctor. His is my favorite. Oh, I love that. Even if it's nothing for something fancy, I just love the look of it. But comment below, let me know, and thanks again.